Here at the Department of Biomedical Engineering at SREC, we bring together innovation and healthcare to improve life. Our students don't just learn theory, they design, they innovate healthcare technology which makes a real difference. With expert faculty, advanced labs and hands-on projects, we prepare future engineers to revolutionize the medical field. Let's take a closer look at what we offer.
Let me take you into a world where science meets compassion and technology is used as a tool to heal. Welcome to the world of biomedical engineering. Whether you are dreaming about creating the next life-saving device or doing research to improve patient care or providing a very supportive system for the patients, this is definitely the domain for you. Our program gives you the tools to turn that dream into a reality. Join us on this exciting journey. Because biomedical engineers, we are not just building machines, we are building the future of healthcare.
I am Divya Lakshmi, Assistant Professor Selection Grade in the Department of Biomedical Engineering. I wish to share the curriculum and the skills that we offer from our department. And we have designed the curriculum in such a way that promote experiential learning through engaging the students in various activities like projects, internships, in-plant trainings, in addition to the labs that we conduct, which gives the student a complete package of the skills that they require to know about the basic instrumentation, programming, till the data analytics and advanced prediction analysis. So this is going to be a complete package for the future engineers who are to redefine the healthcare in future.
A biomedical engineer should have knowledge on basic concepts like cellular level interaction, molecular mechanisms and medical electronics, which will be learned from basic labs such as biochemistry lab, human anatomy and physiology lab, pathophysiology lab, biomechanics lab and medical instrumentation electronics lab. Two advanced labs such as medical image processing, medical data analytics, regenerative medicine and tissue engineering, healthcare instrumentation and modeling of biomedical systems. Our limit does not stop here. We extend our knowledge into computational domain through R programming language, MATLAB, COMSOL, AutoDocking and 3D modeling. With these labs, our students not just learn, they create, innovate and revolutionize the future of healthcare.
Biomedical department, we have three streams. The first stream is instrumentational technology, the second stream is imaging processing, and the third stream is nanotechnology and biotechnology. So me, Dr. P. Vishnuvardhan, Senior Assistant Professor in Biomedical Department, where I am mostly concentrating on nanotechnology expertise. Mainly we are concentrating on energy storage systems. We synthesize here nanomaterials and coat on the thin films.
I'm Vivekita. I'm working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering. If you are a student who has obtained over 7.5 GPA, which means you are eligible for two different things. One is direct self-study and other thing is NPTEL credit transfer. These two things will help you complete all your coursework before 6th SEM, which will help you gain internship in 7th and 8th SEM and where you can reach out to different industry.
Hi everyone, myself Lavanya, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering since June 2012, and I have 12 years of experience in teaching field. Biomedical engineering is an interdisciplinary field that emerge engineering principles with medical and biological sciences to design and develop the healthcare technologies. The students also gain the hands-on experience through various core courses like healthcare instrumentation and access to the state-of laboratories. We also benefit from the expertise of adjunct faculty from reputed industries, from the prominent healthcare industry, who provide a global perspectives and industry-relevant insights. Our department also prepares the students for impactful career in their healthcare technology, research as well as innovation.
Hi, this is Chandni. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering. So I'm here to talk about all the technical clubs that are present in the department. So we offer BioElixirs, IEEE EMBS and BMASI. BMASI is a professional body, IEEE EMBS is a technical chapter and BioElixirs is a technical association. So we offer an exclusive outreach club called as the Biomedical Social Outreach Club, that which enhances the social activity delivered by the student to the society. So apart from that, all the technical events like hackathons, paper presentations and symposium and conferences are offered by BioElixirs, IEEE EMBS and BMASI.
Our students participated in various hackathons, project contests and then presented papers in various international conferences, national conferences and presented their ideas in various forums.
Hello everyone, I am Dashni K. நான் pre-final year in biomedical engineering. நான் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி workshops attend பண்ணியிருக்கேன் embedded systems and material vigilance. Plus நாங்க mini project team-ஆ வந்துட்டு Manipal hackathon and Smart India hackathon-ல வந்து college level-ல நாங்க select ஆயிருக்கோம்.
Hi all, your team Time Rabbits from 3rd year BME. We actively participated in a national level virtual hackathon called Medinova 23, which was conducted by Prashant Medical Technologies.
We were the winners of the idea presentation round on the topic active answer processes for low volume bike riding activities.
And we also received a cash prize for the same.
And we also completed a 1-year internship program in a well-reputed organization named Athila Pandian Private Limited, where we gained experience about the working and troubleshooting of various medical equipments.
Hello everyone, we are Team Pixel Perfect. Our team completed a project in computational biology where we tried to detect the breast cancer at an early stage using microcalcification present in mammogram, for which we have presented our idea in St. Joseph College, Chennai for ICETET 24. We are also trying to calculate the intraocular pressure of the eye for glaucoma patients, for which we have collaborated with the Eye Foundation, RSPuram. Our team was also shortlisted for the second round in L&T TechGeom Hackathon, where we incorporated AI/ML to improve the explainability of the medical systems.
Hello everyone, we are excited to share with you our recent internship experience at Tanuvas in Chennai. We had a great opportunity to gain a hands-on experience in the stem cell culture. Through this internship, we developed a deeper understanding of the principles and techniques involved in the stem cell culture. Also, we gained a practical experience in handling and maintaining the stem cells. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Sauganika and she is Sureka. I am glad to share our experience with you. Recently we have completed 1 month internship in the Oxygen International Research Center, where we have learned and contributed to a project developing an epitope based vaccine for Ebola virus.
Additionally, we had an opportunity to participate in poster presentation about computational immunology at SRM University, Chennai, where we secured first place. We thank our faculty and parents for supporting us for this achievement.
Hi guys, நான் பேச போறது வந்துட்டு நாங்க இன்டர்ன் பண்ணது பத்தி. நாங்க இன்டர்ன் பண்ண கம்பெனி வந்து Innosec கம்பெனி, அது வந்துட்டு மதுரையில லொகேட் ஆயிருக்கு. அண்ட் மதுரையில இருக்கக்கூடிய மதுரை காமராஜர் யூனிவர்சிட்டியில இருக்கக்கூடிய இன்குபேஷன் ஹப்ல வந்து பேசக்கூடிய ஒரு கம்பெனி. அண்ட் அங்க நாங்க கத்துக்கிட்ட வந்துட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜெனரேஷன் சீக்வென்சி. அண்ட் அதுல வந்து நாங்க 3 டிஃபரெண்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அண்ட் என்னோட ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்துட்டு கொலரெக்டல் கேன்சர். அதுல ஒரு பேஸா இருக்கிறது வந்து மல்டி ட்ரக் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் வச்சு நான் பண்ணுவேன். நான் வந்து பேங்க்ரியாட்டிக் கேன்சர்ல வந்து ட்ரக் ரீபொசிஷனிங் வச்சு வேற பிரஸ்ட் கேன்சருக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண ட்ரக்கை வந்து பேங்க்ரியாட்டிக் கேன்சருக்கு கொடுத்தா எப்படி எஃபெக்டிவா ஒர்க் ஆகும் அப்படிங்கறத ட்ரக் டாக்கிங் வச்சு ரிசல்ட்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கேன்.
நான் ஈசோஃபேகஸ் கார்சினோமால வந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு அதுல ட்ரக் டாக்கிங் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். கண்டினியூஸ் ப்ராஜெக்டா போயிட்டு இருக்குது.
இந்த இடத்துல நான் வந்துட்டு எங்களுக்கு இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கொடுத்த டாக்டர் ஜீவித பிரியா மேம் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து அவர் தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லிக்கிறேன். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ த பர்சன் எங்களுக்கு வந்து Innosec கம்பெனில ஹெல்ப் பண்ண மிஸ் தீபிகா அவங்களுக்கும் வந்துட்டு நான் தேங்க் பண்ணுறேன்.
Apart from these technical achievements, our students have been involved in various co-curricular activities, like they have been participated in various dance competitions through Finance Club. And many of our students were involved in various sports activities, also involved in various activities in a club called Tamil Mandram.
Students also actively undergo various sports activities conducted by Anna Universities, alumni and various zonal activities.
Rashida, working as an assistant professor at SRC in the Department of Biomedical Engineering. Regarding placements, we have not only met the expectations but also we witnessed significant placements in prominent companies in and out Tamil Nadu. Students also proves their passion working in the areas of medical device designing, artificial intelligence in healthcare, clinical research, regulatory affairs, etc. We are not only sending people out for the job, but we are also sending students to redefine healthcare.
Hello and warm greetings. I am Dr. V. Sharmila, Professor and Head of the Department of Biomedical Engineering at Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. It gives me great pleasure to introduce the department that stands at the crossroads of innovation, healthcare and engineering and has done so with excellence for over 2 decades. Established with a vision to shape the future of healthcare technology, our department has grown into the center of academic excellence and research. Our faculty members are highly qualified, with most having completed their PhDs and actively contributing to research. We are also proud to host the research scholars pursuing advanced studies in emerging areas of biomedical engineering. We encourage innovation at every level through hands-on projects, interdisciplinary collaboration, and dedicated funding support for student startup and entrepreneurial ventures. Our alumni are making remarkable contributions across the globe in top universities, research institutions, healthcare industries, and startups in countries like the USA, UK, Germany, Singapore, and Australia and beyond. At Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, the Department of Biomedical Engineering is not just a place to study, it's a launch pad for innovation, leadership, and global healthcare impact. Thank you for your time. We welcome you all to be the part of our exciting journey with us.